So, I moved to Canada, and let me tell you, nobody warned me about how violently polite Canadians are. As a Cebuano, I'm used to being direct. We don't have time for extra words. You ask a Cebuano, do you want food? The answer is either ooh, yes, or walakoy kwarta, libre ko. I have no money, can you treat me? But in Canada, everything is wrapped in layers of politeness. I went to Tim Hortons, and the guy in front of me was like, hi there, can I please get a small double-double, if that's okay? Sorry about that. I'm like, sorry for what? Did you just apologize for buying coffee? Then it was my turn. The cashier smiled and said, hi there, what can I get started for you today? And my Cebuano instincts kicked in. I just said, coffee. The room went silent. The cashier blinked. The customers behind me gasped. Somewhere, a hockey player dropped his stick. I felt like I had disrespected the ancestors of Canada. So I tried to fix it. I cleared my throat and said, coffee, please. If that's okay. Sorry. The cashier smiled. The air felt lighter. The hockey player picked up his stick. Balance was restored in the universe. But that's just the start. One time, I bumped into someone at the grocery store, and before I could even react, they said, oh, sorry. They apologized for me hitting them. Cebuano logic says, if you bump into me, it's your fault. But in Canada, it's like a race to see who can apologize first. Now, I've been here long enough that I've fully adapted. The other day, I stubbed my toe on a chair, and without thinking, I said, oh, sorry, to the chair. That's when I knew I wasn't just living in Canada, Canada was living in me.